Find the mode and median of the following frequency distribution. So X is there, F is there. So what we need to do? First copy and paste the following two columns. Okay. The next column is the cumulative frequency. I think you know how to do the cumulative frequency. First frequency will be copied over here. From next cumulative frequency, just add the frequency of the next class with the cumulative frequency of the previous class. See, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, like this. I also discussed in the previous class. So the 29 is the total summation of all frequencies. 29 is our odd number. So for the odd number, we have to use this formula, n plus 1 by 2th term, that is 15th term. So 15th will be in this particular row, that 17, 5, 13. So median will be the 13. The frequency of the corresponding to 14 is maximum. See, total frequency 1, 4, 7, 5. So highest frequency is the 9. And it is related to the 14. So 14 is the mode. You have to keep in your mind that maximum frequency carries the mode. Okay. Come to the next problem. The marks obtained by 30 students in a class assessment of 5 marks is given below. The marks was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number of students 1, 3, 6, 10, 5, 5. Calculate mean, median and mode. So let's proceed one by one. I will first copy and paste the first two columns. Okay. After that, make the cumulative frequency. After that, make fx. Fx means f into x. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. 1 into 3 is equal to 3, like this. So why we are doing the fx? Just to calculate the mean. Summation of fx by n will be the formula for the mean. See, mean summation fx by n, that is summation f, that is 90 by 30, that comes to 3. That mean is equal to 3. Okay. The number of observation n, 30. 30 is our even number. So use this formula. This formula is for even number. 15th term plus 16th term. 15th term plus 16th term. 15th term and 16th term both will be coming under this particular row. That is 10. Here 20. And here the mark is the 3. So the median will be the 3. Now see the maximum number of times occurred. Look at the frequencies. 1, 3, 6, 10, 5, 5. These are the frequencies. So maximum frequency is 10. And 10 is related to that 3. Okay. So mode is the 3. Come to the next problem. The distribution given below. The marks obtained by 25 students in an aptitude test. Find the mean, median and mode. Same types of problem. So first I will write the x and f, that is copy and paste of the first two columns. After that, making fx means f into x, that is 5 into 3, 6 into 9, 7 into 6, just like this. Okay. After that, what we have to do? Cumulative frequency. See, first will be copied over there. 3, next will be 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Next will be 12 plus 6 is equal to 18, like this. So mean means summation fx by n. So 171 divided by 25, that comes to 6.84 is the mean. Okay. So total frequency 25. 25 is our odd number. So for the odd number, use this formula to calculate the median. That comes to 13th term. 13th term, see, 13th term should be under 18, because in the 12 we will not get the 13th term, we will get the 13th term in this particular row. Okay, so our median should be the 7. Okay, and here the frequency corresponding to 6 is maximum. See, highest frequency 396,421, so highest frequency 9 is related to 6. Okay, so our mode is the 6. Come to this problem. Using step deviation method, calculate mean of the following distribution and state the model class. So they are asking the mean and mode. So first I will copy and paste the first two columns. After that, making the class mark. So what we know, that lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So 50 plus 55 by 2, 55 plus 60 by 2. That is the way how to make the class mark, that is xi. After that, getting the assumed mean. So you can get any figure as your assumed mean. Okay. So here we take here 67.5 as a assumed mean. Okay. So before that, uh, that 52.5 minus 67.5, that comes to minus 15, and this should be 0 here. This is a typing mistake. And 87.5 minus 67.5, that comes to 30. After that, ui, that is the making the minimization of this term, that is dividing by 10 10 10 10 10, or you can divide by 5. Okay, you can also divide by 5. And so after that, if one fi ui, that is the multiplication of fi, that is this column, with the ui, that is 5 into minus 3, that comes to 15. Okay, so summation of fi ui is 24, summation of fi is equal to 80. From this table we can get the values. So using the step deviation method, mean is equal to x bar is equal to a plus, here a means assumed mean, plus h into summation fi ui divided by summation fi. So 67.5, that is our assumed mean, plus 5 into, as we are dividing each and every element by 5. So here the h is 5 into 24. 24 means the summation of fi ui, that is 24, divided by 80. 80 means the summation of frequencies 80, that comes to 69. So mean of the distribution is 69. Model class means the maximum frequency. Look at the frequency table. Maximum frequency is that 20. So 55 to 60 is is my model class. The following table gives the weekly wages in rupees of workers in a factory. See, weekly wages in rupees and number of workers given over there. To calculate the mean, model class, the number of working workers getting weekly wages below 80 and number of workers getting rupees 65 or more but less than 85 as weekly wages. So how to solve these types of problem? So first, as you know, that the class interval, copy and paste, frequency, copy and paste, class mark, lower plus upper divided by 2, cumulative frequency, how to make, you know. After that, summation fi mean summation fi divided by summation fi, that comes to 5520 by 80. 69 is the mean. The model class, highest frequency, look at the frequency, the highest frequency is 20. So 55 to 60 is the highest frequency, so mode is the 55 to 60 range. The number of workers getting weekly wages below rupees 80 is 60. See, check the cumulative frequency column and class interval column. 60 workers get below rupees 80. The last question, the number of workers getting rupees 65 or more but less than rupees 85 as weekly wages. That is 72 minus 35. See, 72, that the highest range is the 85 and below 65 will be the total cumulative frequency 35. So we have to deduct 35 from 72. So 37 will be the answer.